Altura, a luxurious residential project offered to you by Havre Legacy, is a splendid tower designed by esteemed professionals and architects to give you a good living and a distinct lifestyle. It is a mighty 21-storied structure with technologically upgraded designs and remarkable amenities. Altura is the true definition of luxurious yet affordable housing, a place of rejuvenated and relaxed atmosphere that promises to make your life much easier, noble, and comfortable. An ultra-modern high-class project with standard apartments has a base of commercial complexes and business centers. The most wonderful part about Altura is its location. Situated at Kannamwar Nagar, the heart of Mumbai city, it has the spectacular view of a calming eastern skyline. An excellent example of efficiency is how Altura caters to the idea of maximum parking in minimum space. For the first time ever at Kannamwar Nagar, Altura is coming up with an 18-story tower parking system, which has a vertical allocation of elevated parking rooms. Unlike the rest, it is providing each home its own individual parking space. Security is one of the most important factors to be considered in the 21st century. Keeping this in mind, Altura brings to you a well-designed 24/7 security surveillance system. This incorporates CCTV cameras and a video conferencing system from the lobby area. The interiors have such posh furnishing that it not only promises you a secured life, but also an embellished life. Even the elevators are designed in a classic manner to comply to the elite and stylish essence of the building. Keeping your comfortability in mind, like never before at Kannamwar Nagar, Altura is offering you air-conditioned 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments. The rooms are spacious, fairly furnished, and well ventilated. The interiors are specifically designed to suit the requirements of modern living. Within the 1 BHK room, we are providing you with dual washrooms, one general and one inside the bedroom. Similarly, even the 2 BHK apartments have a luxurious feel to it. The rooms are large, glorious, comfortable to be in, and lavish in its true sense. These airy rooms are perfectly cozy for your family, along with having an elegant furnishing. The designs are sophisticated and modern to enrich your lifestyle, and the rooms are so well lit that it keeps you away from the gloomy feeling. In this way, Altura makes you experience such royalty and a very luxurious lifestyle at such an affordable price. The aesthetic view of Vikhroli's skyline is so mesmerizing as it greets you every evening with its beautiful shades and peaceful sunsets. This place is perfect to provide you a break from your busy metropolitan life and calm your mind with soothing visuals of the nature. This quintessential tower is more enhanced by the nature-themed rooftop garden. Beneath the wide-open sky, well conforming to the leisure activities that a person needs, this rooftop garden has a luxurious swimming pool, which is especially designed to provide you refreshment and relaxation from your daily hectic schedule. This rooftop garden is well structured and well spaced to fulfill multiple requirements at a time. Apart from being fancy, a rooftop garden is ecologically beneficial because it's a man-made green space and works as an architectural enhancement. This garden is designed in such a way that it includes all the opulent facilities to cater to all different age groups. Be it a playing area for children where you can watch your kids play and enjoy to their fullest, or an open-air lounge along with a gazebo where you can watch evening sunsets or practice mindful yoga in the warmth of nature, or be it a seating area for senior citizens where they can spend some quality time and talk about their good old days. Nowadays, health and fitness have become a part and parcel of our life. Paying close attention to this factor, Altura presents to you a gymnasium at the first floor. You don't have to wander or travel long distances to fulfill your fitness goals. This requirement of yours is brought to your doorstep by Altura. Kannamwar Nagar, a locality that has been dreamt by thousands of people, is one of the highest housing colonies in India. It is situated in the eastern part of Vikhroli, best known for its easy road access to most of the bustling areas of Mumbai. It is well connected to the Eastern Express Highway and LBS Road, which further connects it to Thane, Dadar, Chembur, Powai, BKC, Ghatkopar, Vashi, Bandra and even Jogeshwari. Kannamwar Nagar is situated close to Vikhroli station. It even connects to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport within just 7 kilometers. This place has easy access to well-known schools in the region and hospitals, namely Godrej Memorial Hospital and Modi General Hospital. It is also in the close proximity of some lavish hotels like the Taj and the Renaissance Convention Centre. Although being at the centre of Mumbai city, this place does not lose its natural charm. It presents you with the aesthetic view of the Eastern Creek. Flamingo Bird Sanctuary, the only one in the country, is located near the creek. Vikhroli's mangroves are one of the 12 unique mangrove forests in our country. They cover a massive area of over 2,000 hectares. These magnificent mangroves are visually so pleasant and provide you such calmness that after your everyday busy, tiresome life, you wake up to such naturally breezing freshness. Vikhroli's enormous mangroves are a home to 16 mangrove species, 82 butterfly species, 208 bird species and several other mammals. Mangroves are essential for flood protection, water quality maintenance and for sustaining our fisheries. This beautifully aesthetic place is even established as an international tourist destination.